Once upon a time, in a peaceful village, there was a cheerful boy named Krishna. Krishna had a big, beautiful apple tree in his garden. Every day, the tree bore the juiciest, reddish apples. Krishna loved the apples and would enjoy them all by himself, feeling happy and proud of his tree.
Not far away lived a kind boy named Gautam. Gautam's family did not have much, and he would often gaze at Krishna's apple tree from a small window, imagining how delicious those apples must taste. Though he never said a word, Krishna noticed his longing look.
One sunny morning, Krishna plucked the biggest, shiniest apple from his tree. He thought to himself, Gautam would love this apple. I should share it with him. With a smile, Krishna walked over to Gautam's house and knocked on the door.
When Gautam opened the door, he was surprised to see Krishna standing there with an apple in his hand. Krishna said, "Hi Gautam, I thought you might like this apple. It's fresh from my tree."
Gautam hesitated for a moment, then took the apple with wide eyes. Really? I'm sure, yeah.
"Of course," Krishna said. "I have plenty, and sharing makes me happy."
Gautam's face lit up with a smile. He took the apple inside, and when he ate it, he felt a warmth in his heart that he didn't feel in a long time.
The next day, Gautam wanted to show his gratitude. He baked a small loaf of bread using the ingredients he had at home. He went to Krishna's house and handed it to him, saying, "This is for you, Krishna. Thank you for sharing your apple with me."
Krishna was touched. You didn't have to do this, he said, but I really appreciate it. You're so thoughtful.
As, as days went by, Krishna and Gautam started sharing little things with each other. Krishna would bring apples and Gautam would share his big treats. They both realized that sharing brought them closer and made their days brighter.
One afternoon, as they sat under the apple tree, Gautam said, You know, Krishna, your apples taste even sweeter when you share them.
Krishna smiled and replied, "You're right, Gautam. Sharing really does make everything better."
And so, Krishna and Gautam learned the true joy of sharing. It wasn't about how much they had, but how much they cared for each other.
Moral of the story is, sharing is caring. It brings joy to both the giver and the receiver and makes the world a kinder place. Thank you.